Cristel France stainless steel roaster. Its dimensions are perfect to be able to fit a conventional oven thanks to its non-overflowing handles. Its riveted handles run the width of the vessel to allow easy access without risk of burning even with pot holders. Dimensions: width 16, depth 13, height 3. The 3-ply roaster is realized with stainless steel /aluminum /stainless steel thick. The bottom can also be used on an induction cooktop. Equipped with an adjustable and foldable stainless steel rack for a space-saving storage, but also for use in horizontal position, steaming fish, beef sizes, rack of lamb, etc. 3-ply roaster by Cristel, stainless steel 1 8/10. Shiny finish stainless steel 1 8/10 3-ply construction. Viking 3-ply stainless steel roasting pan successful meal start. We used it to cook my first Thanksgiving turkey, and every cook knows if you have the right tools, it makes cooking so much easier. This roasting pan is amazing. It's perfectly in my oven and transferred easily to my stove top to make the gravy. Use the sticks to make quick and tender on no complaints. Cleans up really well, still looks as if it's right out of the box. Description: Viking 3-ply stainless steel roasting pan. Viking designed this roasting pan with the home cooking by integrating several unique features. The unique inverted handles allow the roaster to fit into ovens with ease, minimizing space versus roasters with handles extended outward. The inverted handles also make the roaster ergonomically easier to put into and take out of the oven. The roaster can fit up to 25 pointers and comes with a V-shaped, throw-and-throw 3-turn or non-stick cooking rack. The elevated rack helps cook food quicker and more evenly. The 3-ply stainless steel clad design combines 3 layers of metal to create one solid piece that is formed into the vessel. An induction-capable stainless steel exterior is bonded to a layer of aluminum alloy and then finished with a final layer of high-quality 1 8/10 stainless steel on the interior. The 3-layer construction combines the durability of stainless with the superior conductivity of aluminum, delivering even heat distribution along the bottom and throughout the sides of the pan. Cooking surface is non-reactive and ideal for reducing sauces or liquids over a cooking surface. Dishwasher safe. Limited lifetime warranty.